guys, this is Priya and today we are going to learn about the topic calculation of number of atoms and writing a molecular formula using the data given in mass spectroscopy. As you can see, there is data given as m by z value and percentage of relative abundance for the peaks m plus 1 and m plus 2. M plus peak is first peak, and for that the m by z value is given as 73 and for percentage of relative abundance is given as 86 for m plus, and for m plus 1 it is 74 and 3.2%. For m plus 2 it is 75 and 0.18%. As you can see, the relative abundances are not equal to 100. So you have to make it to equal to 100 because you have to have a base peak. A base peak is nothing but a peak which have relative abundance of 100%. So to make sure that you have to make it to 100%, you have to increase its intensity. So after the data is given of the relative abundances, you have to increase the intensity score if the relative abundances does not have any 100%. So for that you have to do 86 is the highest relative abundance given and divided with the highest relative abundance into 100%. So 86 by 86 into 100 is equal to 100, and 3.2 by 86, and then the answer is 3.7, and 0.18 by 86 percentage is 0.2%. And next, calculation of carbon atoms. It is the step 1, and then for this you have a formula. Number of carbon atoms is equal to percentage of relative abundance of m plus 1 peak and divided by 1.1. 1.1 is nothing but the abundacity of the carbon C13 in atmosphere. So you have to take the least abundacity of carbon isotopes. So it is 3.7 by 1.1. It is nothing but 3.4, which is equal to 3 carbons. So the carbons present are 3. And then calculation of the remaining atoms. For that you have to see this formula: m by z of m plus peak minus number of carbon atoms into mass of carbon. So it is m by z value is given as 73, and then number of carbon atoms are 3 into mass of carbon is nothing but 12. So 73 minus 36, which is equal to 37. So the remaining atoms present are equal to 37. So after all, the 3 carbons can't accommodate 37 hydrogens. And also, as you can see, the m by z value of m plus peak is odd, that is 73. So there might be the presence of one or odd number of nitrogens present according to the nitrogen rule. Nitrogen rule is nothing but the m by z value of the base peak. If it is odd, then odd number of nitrogens like 1, 3, 5 and so on. And if it is even, there might be no nitrogen or even number of nitrogens like 2, 4, 6, etc. And then we will calculate the presence of nitrogens. So remaining atoms minus mass of nitrogen. So first we'll go with 1 nitrogen. So 37 minus 14, which is nothing but 23. And moreover, 3 carbons can't accommodate 23 hydrogens also, and if you want to add 2 more nitrogens, you have to have 28 remaining atoms. So that is not possible. So there is only presence of 1 nitrogen. So next we'll calculate the oxygen atoms present. So remaining atoms minus mass of oxygens, which is nothing but remaining atoms are 23 minus mass of oxygen is nothing but 16. So remaining atoms is equal to 7. So 3 carbons can accommodate 7 hydrogens. So the whole molecular formula of the given data is C3H7 and NO. This is the molecular formula of the data given. Next, we'll go to another example. And this is the data given. M by z value of m plus peak is 151 and relative abundance is 100%. M plus 1 peak is 152 M by Z and 9.4 relative abundance. And for M plus 2, the M by Z value is 153 and relative abundance is 33.3%. Here you need not calculate any intensity increases because we already have a base peak of relative abundance 100%. So we already have it. So no need to calculate intensity increases. So again repeat. Step 1, which is nothing but the calculation of carbon atoms, which is nothing but percentage of relative abundance of M plus peak by 1.1. So 9.4 by 1.1. So the answer is 8. So there are 8 carbons. Calculation of remaining atoms. As usual, we'll use the formula of M by Z value of M plus peak minus number of carbon atoms into mass of carbon atom. So it is nothing but 151 minus 8 into 12, which is nothing but 55 atoms are remaining. So 8 carbons can't accommodate 55 hydrogens, and moreover the ratio of M plus 2 peak, which is 33.3%, with the M plus peak is 100%, which is 3:1 ratio, which clearly indicates the presence of a halogen atom, which is nothing but chlorine. For chlorine, it is 3:1 ratio, and for bromine it is 1:1 ratio, because M plus 2 peak is only for halogen atoms, and M plus 1 peak is for carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur atoms. So as here you can see the ratio of 3:1, it clearly indicates the presence of chlorine atom. So which is nothing but, we'll first calculate the chlorine atom and remaining atoms. So 55 minus mass of chlorine atom, which is nothing but 35. So 20 is the remaining atoms. And next, as the M by Z value of M plus peak is odd, there might be a presence of nitrogen atom. So it is nothing but remaining atoms minus mass of nitrogen. So 20 minus 14, which is nothing but 6. So 8 carbons can accommodate 6 hydrogen atoms. So the total molecular formula of the given data is C8H6N and Cl. So this is the molecular formula. Next, example 3. We'll see this example. Here M plus 2 peak is not given. So clearly it indicates that there is no presence of halogen atoms, either chlorine or bromine. As you can see the data, there is no 100% relative abundance. So there is no base peak. So you have to increase its intensity. So for M plus peak, relative abundance is 4%. So it will be increased to 4 by 4 into 100, which is nothing but 100%. And for M plus 1 peak, it is 0.15%. So it is increased. So the total abundance is 3.75%. And M by Z values of M plus and M plus 1 peak are 74 and 75 respectively. So next, calculation of carbon atoms. As usual, so number of carbon atoms is equal to presence of relative abundance of M plus peak by 1.1. So it is nothing but 3.7 by 1.1, which is nothing but 3 carbons. Next, calculation of remaining atoms. So it is M by Z value of M plus peak minus number of carbon atoms into mass of carbon atom. So 74 minus 36, which is nothing but 38. So 38 remaining atoms are present, and 3 carbons can't accommodate 38 hydrogens. And moreover, the M by Z value of M plus peak is even. So there is no question of nitrogen atom. So next we'll go for calculation of oxygen atoms, which is nothing but remaining atoms minus mass of oxygen. So 38 are the remaining atoms, so minus 16, which is nothing but 22 remaining. As you can see, there is no nitrogen atom. We'll consider one more oxygen. So 22 minus 16, which is nothing but 6. And 3 carbons can accommodate 6 hydrogens. So the total molecular formula of the given data is C3H6 and O2, no nitrogen, and there is no presence of a halogen atom. So These are the three problems which I wanted to tell. I hope you understand my lesson, a small lesson which I wanted to tell. Thank you so much.